Imagine managing 1,000 charging stations across 3 countries, all with different rules, protocols, and regulations, without any manual oversight. That's what scalable orchestration does. It lets you control everything from a single platform. Most fleet operators think scaling means just adding more chargers. But real scalability is about keeping performance, compliance, and control sharp, even as your network grows exponentially. The secret? A microservices-based architecture. Each part of the system works independently, like a charging station's payment service or its communication module. So if one fails, the whole network doesn't crash. This design lets teams update, scale, or replace services without touching the entire system. It's like having a modular car. You can upgrade the engine without rebuilding the whole vehicle. Real-time policy enforcement is another game-changer. Whether it's restricting access to employees only or adjusting pricing by time of day, rules are applied instantly across all locations. For multi-region fleets, this means compliance isn't a headache. It's automatic. You can adapt to local standards, languages, and regulations without reworking your entire system. Start scaling your EV network today with smart orchestration.